dining room over here, living room over here, right? And this is the entry point. This is the laundry. This is the bedroom 2. This is bathroom 2. This is bathroom 1, right? Building a home is a dream for almost everyone. But designing one, we often hand it over to an architect. And most of the time, the final layout ends up reflecting their preferences than ours. But what if you could create your house plan using AI? Or if you are an architect, you could use it too to create multiple house layouts with the help of AI in just few seconds. Welcome to day 176 of the 1000 days of No Code Challenge. Today we are exploring Maket.ai, an AI-powered tool that helps you to design the layout for your house based on your room needs, preferences, and available space. Let's jump in and see how it works. So to begin, go to Makeit.ai, click on sign up with Google, select the account, click on continue. Now we can use it for a personal project or professional project, right? As it mentions looking to build or renovate your home, then we can use this. Helping clients build or renovate, we can use this one. I'll go with personal project for now. Click on continue. Is it a residential project or commercial project? Anything else? We'll go with the residential. Click on complete. Now it's asking us to create a project. So I'll click on create a project. Okay. It's asking us whether it's a renovation, it's a new home building, or exploring ideas. Okay. Let's go with exploring ideas. Click on continue. It's asking us to give a name to the project. Let's call it a stream home. Create project. Okay. Now, while we will continue further, I would like you to check this, right? So they have a huge banner added here which says, hey, it looks like you are from India. We support parity purchasing power. So if you need it, use code Makeit60 off to get 60% off your subscription at checkout. That's a great deal, right? Okay, so let's click on create, and it's asking us whether we want to create a plan, whether we want to generate the image, or we want to work on the project. Okay, let's create a plan for now with AI from scratch or from upload. With AI, of course. Now, you want to go with the metric unit or imperial? Let's go with metric. You can have multi-floor planning as well, but the first floor is free. Second, you need pro version. Okay, so let's go with the first floor itself, or one floor, right? So we have floor 1. We can mention what is the dimension that we have, that is total area, right? Let's go with 200. Okay, we have a 200 meter square of area that we want to plan the layout. Now we can tell what are the rooms that we need, like bedrooms 1, 2, whatever it is. If you click on this, you can also choose what is the dimension of the rooms, right? You can play around with that. Bathroom 1 or 2, right? Kitchen 1. You can click on see more, and you have other options like living room is 1, dining room is 1, entry, of course, we need 1, right? Garage, if you need, you can click on this one, and so on and so forth. Now closely observe as and when you keep adding this, okay, it also has some dimension added, right? And based on all the dimensions, it tells sum of total area is 211 meter square, right? Whereas what we had added was just 200 meter square. And that's why we either have to remove something, or we have to make it smaller, or we have to increase the total area, right? Laundry, if you need, click on it. Mudroom, if you need, you can add it, and so on and so forth. Now this is total 177 meter square, right? So we can probably increase the bedroom size by 7 and make this as 4.00, right? 185. We can go to the bathroom. I think that's fine. Kitchen, let's increase it to 6x8, maybe. No, that's too much. Let's make it as 7. Almost there. So let's say 7.2. Yeah, and 6.2. Okay, anyway, so it's close enough, right? And we go to options, and do we need a walk-in, balcony, closet, and so on and so forth, right? You can include whatever you need in your option, and then click on generate. And what it does is it not only gives you one plan, it gives you multiple plans, right? So this is the first one. You can see we have a deck here, we have bedroom 1 here, kitchen over here, dining room over here, living room over here, right? And this is the entry point. This is the laundry. This is the bedroom 2. This is bathroom 2. This is bathroom 1, right? Okay, I don't like this. What next? You have a next plan, right? So bedroom 2 and bathroom 2 is here. You have a laundry here. Bathroom 1 and bedroom 1 is here. And yeah, so we have kitchen over here, dining room here, living room over here, and entries over here. Okay, I don't like this too. There is the third one. There is the fourth one. There is much more, right? It keeps generating for you different layouts. In less than 5 minutes, we got 8 proposals created for our dream home layout. Second trial, I've already given floor plan as 150 meter square and 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, which is not usually the case. We've added 1 kitchen, 1 living room, 1 dining room, and a garage, right? So it has given us some diagrams, of course, 1, 2, 3, and much more. Now, if you like it, click on save, and you can also edit it. You can also download this. You can also use some advanced edit, which is in the paid plan. You can also mention whether this was a good result or unsatisfied, so that they can train their model even better and give you better results. Now, once we click on download, they have PDF download, DXF download, or JPG download, but all of this will be available only in the paid plan. We will also add some tips in the descriptions below. Please follow those tips to get better results. There you go. A person without any prior designing skills could create a floor plan based on our preference just by using AI within few minutes. Not just one, multiples to choose from. And it's not just for someone who is building their dream home. If you are an architect and you want to create mockups quickly, you can use this tool too. It's one of the most unique tools out there that changes the way we approach early stage concept development in architecture and construction. So do give it a spin and share it with that architecture friend of yours or somebody who is planning to build their dream house. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.